A truly impressive Balerno home in a location that speaks for itself. Semi-detached, 3 bedrooms and finished to a seriously high standard. Welcome to 11 Whitelea Road. The newly upgraded kitchen sits at the centre of the ground floor. Modern, clean and designed with everyday living in mind. Just off, there's a practical utility which leads to the garage and outside. Outside, there's a driveway for 2 cars, plus a great sized rear garden, which is ideal for summer evenings, entertaining friends, or just sitting out and unwinding at the end of the day. A home that's practical, polished, and perfectly placed. This is 11 Whitelea Road.